Okay, welcome back. It's Jamie for episode 3. Now we're going to concentrate on the radio this time. I told you a little bit about the radio in episode 2, but on episode 3, I'm going to show you that and the speakers and give you my opinion. Like I said, it's been 2 years, so the radio has been very good. It's actually a Boss radio. It had mixed reviews, but the radio has been really good. I was shocked about how well it's performed. I use it only on Bluetooth. I would spend a little bit more money on an antenna if I go to do anything different. It doesn't pick up real good here in the basement or in the woods and different places, and sometimes not even going down the road. So I usually use this for Bluetooth, but the sound's pretty good out of it. It's 3.5-inch radio, mounted good in this PBR panel, and then which I pre-wired everything. I run all my wire is up the right side of the windshield. That's including my lights and my stereo. And I chose to do the wire that's bonded together that has, your positive and minus. You can get it. I'll leave the link to the description for the radio and it below. But when I was just going to add 2 speakers. So when I put these speakers in, I went with the Boss Wakeboard speakers. They're only a 4-inch. Terminated in the back, or you can see the wire in that picture. They sound pretty good, but not a lot of bass. More mid-range, more just not much bass. And of course, it's a 4-inch speaker. But in the front, after that didn't perform the way I wanted it, I got me a set of Kicker 6.5s. Now, I got the speaker, then I bought these here, $9. They're just a cup. I know it's not probably it's probably kind of an awkward place that people would think to put it, but it's actually zip tied on instead of clamped. It's zip tied to both bars. It's in there solid. It clears your shoulder good, but it sounds really good. I bought these from Amazon, bought the covers from Amazon, and then I used the black plastic to fill in the back. That's pretty much the stereo in a nutshell. I'll crank it up here and let you hear how it sounds.
Get up early and I give him all I got. Got me an old box called a brand new choke, and this spring it ain't no joke. I'm on a feeling good and finally get a shot. Willie gobbled his head off on the roof.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe it'll help you decide a little bit on what you want to do. And like I said, I really like the Kicker. The Boss radio is being a champ. I cannot complain about it. I wish I'd got a better antenna, but I cannot complain about the auxiliary, the USB ports, and cannot complain about the sound that's put into the speakers. It's more the quality of the speakers that is anything. The Kickers has been really good. They sound good. They've got a little bit of bass to them. The treble don't blast you out, because all you can run on the Boss is your EQ, and it has several different settings. The Boss speakers I like, but they just wasn't loud enough, and they still want to crackle and pop. They can't handle the power of the radio. So I have opted to buy 4 Boss 4-inch speakers to go in those canisters, just like the front ones. But anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you like it, you're more than welcome to leave a comment. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. It helps us out. And as always, hit the notifications in the corner. Hit the little bell, and you'll get future notifications from us. Episode 4 is coming up. We're going to start it here in a second. And as always, God bless and thank you.